I recently had the idea of combining watercolor and charcoal, but I did look it up and it turns out I was not the first person to do this. I always thought that art has a lot of rules you have to follow, but recently I started to become a lot more laid back in my art. I haven't used charcoal in such a long time, so I didn't think I would make a video out of this, but decided to record anyway, just for in case. So sorry about the weird camera angle. I think I must have been around 10 or 12 years old when my parents took us to a zoo when we were on holiday. I think it was more of a bird/reptile park, if I can remember correctly. Anyways, there was this cage with a crow inside, but this crow could talk. It sounded like it was repetitively saying, "Why?" Almost like it was asking me, why am I in this cage? Which resulted in me feeling sorry for him. So I wanted to comfort him by sticking my finger in his cage and scratch its head like a parrot. So of course it bit me, but in any case, my point is crows are scary, and since moving to the Netherlands, I have been seeing a lot of them around me. So I think deciding to draw a crow made sense to me in my head. So I played around with the drawing a bit, trying to remember all the techniques that I used to do when using charcoal. So I took a bit off with my putty eraser and then added a bit until I was happy with what I saw so that I can move on to the next stage. I used my charcoal pencil just to draw a bit of the finer details around the eye and underneath its chin where there's some feathers, just to neaten it up a bit and finish it off before I start with the watercolors. I enjoyed this project so much. It was so nice to do a quick and almost unplanned artwork. The effect the watercolor made on top of the charcoal also looked really cool. Let me know if you also tried it and if there are some tricks you learned in the process. Here are the results.